In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by launching Clock app that's already on your iPhone and selecting Alarms at the bottom on the left. Now to create a new one, use this plus at the top right corner. Following that, you can adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on repeat and pick days of the week you wanna set up. Go back. Tap on label to name your alarm however you want to, if you want to. And when you're done, select sound. Over here you can begin by adjusting haptics. Click on them at the top. Select synchronized. Pick one of those vibration patterns. Or create your new vibration over here. Then save it by tapping on Save at the top right corner. Oh sorry, it has to finish, or if you want to, you can click on Stop at the bottom right corner first. Now name it and tap on Save here. You can also tap on None if you want to disable vibration completely. Click on one of those sound sources if you want to pick a song from your device. Or select one of those by clicking on the best one. Go back. Use this switcher next to Snooze to switch it off or turn it on. And if you decided to enable it, click on Snooze duration to decide how many minutes it will take. Now to save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make any changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, and tap on the check mark again. To get rid of it, click on it again, and this time choose Delete Alarm at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!